Hi guys, so I was about to paint a picture, so I was like, let me show you guys. I was about to paint Lord Buddha, and if you guys know, I love to paint Lord Buddha, so I'm gonna acrylic paint on canvas. So I was like, let me take you guys through it. I'm just gonna open this and start painting. First do is I just make a quick rough sketch in my diary and a quick color palette, what colors I'm going to use. These two are my favorite. I usually use these two, the turquoise blue and sky blue, in all of my paintings because I just love those colors on my paintings. So yeah, now quickly I'm gonna make it and show you guys. This is how right now it is looking. The original picture is over here. I will just add something in the background similar to this, and yeah, show you guys. So this is the final product. I hope you guys like it. I really loved it. I was about to add some leaves over here, but I was like, let it be plain. And yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to like and comment down. And yeah, see you guys in the next. Bye.